The living words of Yahusha. Yahusha said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No man comes unto the Father but by me. Yahuchanon, John 14:6. This is more than a religious statement. It is a covenant promise. Yahusha is not pointing to a system, a building, or a denomination. He is pointing to himself as the living path that restores us back into union with the Father. To truly walk the path Yahusha spoke of requires a yielding to his voice, a commitment to his teachings, and a reliance on his presence. But the reward is eternal life, a restored relationship with the Father. Now let's take a moment to unpack these words. The first word we come across is way. In Hebrew, the word way can be translated as path, road, or journey. Yahusha is essentially saying, I am the path that leads to the Father. I am the journey that brings you home. Religion often tries to box God into formulas and systems, but Yahusha's way is a lifestyle. It's about aligning your thoughts, words, and actions with His will. It's choosing truth over illusion, love over fear, and holiness over compromise. It's about recognizing that the way is not just a destination, but a process of becoming. It's about yielding to His voice, embracing His teachings, and relying on His presence. The second word is truth. In Hebrew, the word truth can be translated as accurate, faithful, or loyal. Yahusha is not just referring to religious doctrines or moral codes. He is stating that He is the embodiment of truth. He is the accurate representation of the Father. He is faithful and loyal to His teachings and mission. To walk in His truth means to live a life that reflects His character, to speak words that align with His word, and to act in ways that are consistent with His teachings. It means to reject the lies of the enemy and to choose holiness and righteousness. The third word is life. In Hebrew, the word life can be translated as source, spring, or brook. Yahusha is not just talking about physical existence. He is offering an abundant, eternal life rooted in relationship with Him. He is the source of living water that flows from within us. To walk in His life means to live a life that is full of purpose, joy, and peace. It means to have a deep and abiding faith in Yahusha, to trust in His promises, and to rely on His strength. Now let's bring it all together. Yahusha is saying, I am the way, the truth, and the life. I am the path that leads to the Father. I am the journey that brings you home. I am the truth, the accurate, faithful, and loyal representation of the Father. I am the one who can set you free from the lies and bring you into the fullness of truth. I am the life, the source of living water that can quench your thirst and fill you with joy and peace. And no one can come to the Father but through me. Religion often tries to separate us from God, placing rules, rituals, and traditions between us and the Father. But Yahusha's words remind us that He is the living embodiment of the Father's love and truth. He is the bridge between us and God. He is the way, the truth, and the life. May these words challenge and encourage us to walk in covenant with Yahusha, to live lives that reflect His character, and to share His message of love and salvation with the world. Before we go, here's a call to action. Are you walking in covenant with Yahusha? Are you living a life that reflects His character and reflects His truth? If so, share your testimony in the comments below. Let your light shine and be a blessing to others. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Until next time, remember to walk in the way of Yahusha, live in His truth, and walk in His life.